The Philosophico-Literary Research Department of Kaivalya Dham is one of the unique concepts of its founder, Swami Kuvalayananda. It is one of the finest research institutes across the world. It marries the wonders of science with the profundity of the ancient Indian wisdom. The Philosophical Literary Research Department is dedicated to the literary and philosophical researches on ancient Indian philosophy, mostly related to yogic scriptures. We have four pillars of functioning: the teaching, research, publication, and outreach. We have conceived of several prestigious research projects. Many of them are approved by the Government of India. One of the most important and significant research project that is going on in this department is the ICPR sanctioned research project on the principles of causality, synthesizing ancient Indian wisdom with modern physics and neuroscience. Apart from this, we have a prestigious research project running at our department, which is the Yoga Heritage and Culture. Under the umbrella of this Yoga Heritage and Culture project, we have published one book. It is one of the unique contributions devoted to mantra-wise translation and analysis of the four principal Upanishads. The other volumes are yet to come, which are in the pipeline. Apart from this, we are engaged in another research project, which is the Yogi Scientist Research Project. In this research project, we are undertaking the scientific contribution of a yogi. In this scheme, we have already published a book on the life and contribution of Swami Kuvalayananda, who is a pioneer in synthesizing science and yogic wisdom. Now we have taken up the works of Swami Vivekananda and we are interpreting it in the light of modern science. We have taken up one manuscript on Khechari Mudra. We have completed its decipherment and it is almost ready for publication. There are many more activities which are very important. The members of this department are actively engaged in teaching different courses in the College of Kaivalya Dham. Additionally, we travel to different universities and institutes to disseminate the wisdom of yoga across the world.
There are several projects going on in the department. Among them, one of the prestigious projects is Yoga and Value Education. Now there are several books on yoga and also on value education, and very nice books, but then they are separate books on yoga and books on value education. There is no work on yoga and value education together, and that is the justification of the work which we have undertaken. This project is the project with preparation of reading material for the sake of college students and high school students in several languages other than Sanskrit. And this work consists of in the form of chapters all those important dimensions and aspects of value education which go to form, because value education is a complex phenomenon and all those aspects feature as the what you call chapters of the work, and it is in this way it is expected to be completed very soon.
Namaste. The project on yoga heritage and culture is a very significant research project undertaken by the Philosophical Literary Research Department. Under this scheme, we have published a monograph on the reflection of yoga in the Principal Upanishads, Volume 1. The book written by Dr. Kakali Ghosh and was released on 21st June 2020. Myself, Dr. Vandita Satpathy, is currently working on a monograph on yoga in pre-Vedic India. Professor Nirad Barun Mandal is working in the areas of Buddhist concept of yoga. A research work on unity in diversity is taken up by Miss Victoria Orange from France. A research paper on Raja Yoga meditation, theory and practice in the process of communication. Thank you.